The upcoming Galaxy S24 series from Samsung is anticipated to bring about several notable improvements. Among the models, the Ultra variant is rumored to showcase a new camera system, while the Base and Plus models might feature slimmer bezels and a more energy-efficient display. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to undergo design changes, potentially incorporating a titanium alloy frame for enhanced durability. Renowned tipster Ice Universe has indicated that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could deviate from its predecessors by adopting a flat-screen design instead of the curved edges. This shift offers multiple advantages, including better usability of the S Pen towards the screen edges and increased compatibility with affordable and efficient screen protectors. The reported dimensions of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are 162.3 79 x 8.6 mm, indicating a slimmer and shorter build compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, this might result in a wider appearance, suggesting potentially thicker side bezels. The credibility of this claim remains to be verified. Earlier sources suggested that the display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra could achieve a peak brightness exceeding 2,200 nits, a notable improvement from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 1,750 nits. According to the rumors, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to sport a 12MP front-facing camera and an impressive rear camera setup, including a 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 10MP telephoto camera offering 10x optical zoom capabilities. The device is slated to launch in two editions, one powered by the Exynos 2400 processor, and the other featuring the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. RAM configurations include 12GB options with 256GB and 512GB storage, along with a 16GB variant offering 1TB storage. The phone might draw power from a 5000 mAh battery and support 45 HB fast charging.